What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I've got some cases that I want to share with you guys for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I think you're really going to like them. These cases are from Benks, so huge shout out to Benks for sending these cases out to check out. But like I said, I think you're absolutely going to love them. Starting off with this right here. This, I believe, is called the Aurora Case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let me tell you, just by putting, first of all, this design is phenomenal. It feels very soft and very kind of durable. So like when you're holding it in the hand, it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out of your hand. It's also built with Kevlar. It has what Benks calls MagClap, but pretty much MagSafe. So if you have any MagSafe accessories, chargers, wireless power banks, it's going to work when you use this case on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has precise cutouts, fairly thin, but for example, like the bottom and the top, they have the precise cutouts for designated areas, and it covers pretty much the rest. So we're gonna put this case on. It slides right in. There you go. Now, it doesn't have precise cutouts for the camera cutouts, not individual camera cutouts, but that is perfectly okay. It just has a slightly raised lip right here. The power and the volume buttons are empty, so you're pressing the buttons themselves, which is still nice. Precise cutouts right here for the mics and also for USB-C speaker and the S Pen. And it is fairly easy to remove the S Pen from this case, and that's something that I think you should pay attention to if you have the S24 Ultra, is when you're picking up a case, how easy is it for me to remove the S Pen? And luckily with this one, it is fairly easy. But what I like about this is, first of all, it's light. It doesn't really add too much bulk to your phone, so it doesn't make it look like super thick like other cases. They're going to be protective and whatnot, but they make it look extra thick. This does not. It really just fits super snug on your S24 Ultra, and it just looks super premium. I absolutely love this. So next up is going to be these three cases, and these ones pretty much show different locations, and I just like it. First of all, let's start things off with this London case right here. It fits super snug, and again, it has those precise cutouts, and this one's a little bit more protective than the Aurora case. But it still gives a nice clean look. And there you go. There is London Mind over Miles. It has this nice map. It shows the kilometers and it shows a compass right there. I just like this overall design. Again, it has those precise cutouts. Pulling out the S Pen is fairly easy. But yeah, if you want to kind of showcase, or if you're looking for a London type of case, this is going to be that one. Again, I'll be leaving links to all these in the description down below. Next up is this one. Now, I like this one because it's a white, whereas the London and the Istanbul, they're a darker tone, whereas this is a lighter tone. This one actually looks phenomenal. And again, it's got the coordinates right here. And Ascend to Majesty, Ascend to Majesty. I'm sorry, I mispronounced that. Ascend to Majesty, again, it's got the compass with some arrows. This is also a really clean case. And again, camera, or the S Pen right there. It's late, guys, it's late, and I've been up pretty much since the early morning, so yeah, it's kind of late, but that's okay. These cases are great. I mean, the thing with cases is you kind of have to see it on the phone, or at least for me, you have to see it on the phone before you actually pick it up, and that's why I want to showcase these. And also, these also have what Benks uses, MagClap, but essentially they are MagSafe. If you have any MagSafe accessories, you can use these with your S24 Ultra. But my favorite is Istanbul because I'm from Turkey. And I lived in Istanbul for 3 years, so this one really I relate to on a personal level. Mind over Miles, it's got no limits. Istanbul has no limits whatsoever. I truly believe it's one of the greatest places to visit, and for at least my 3 years that I lived there, it was phenomenal. It was amazing, truly a great experience. I used to tell myself it was my prime. and it still maybe. I mean, when I look back, it definitely was a great time. And this right here is the map of Istanbul, the right-hand side. And the only reason why I'm speaking more on this is because I actually know the map right here. So this is the right-hand side of Istanbul, which is the Asian side. And this part is the European side of Istanbul. And it's the only city in the world that sits on 2 continents. So you live on either the European side of Istanbul or the Asia side of Istanbul. Great place. There's honestly, I mean, I've lived there for 3 years and there's still so much that I didn't get to do, a place I didn't get to visit. The food there is great. If you come across going to Istanbul, you're going to enjoy it. As soon as you land at the airport, you're going to just notice how great of a city it truly is. And this is the case I personally have been rocking. Again, clicky buttons. It has precise cutouts right here. It doesn't have individual camera cutouts, which I kind of personally prefer on my smartphones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, because it sometimes gets dusty in between, but I guess that's okay. I'm rocking a case that truly does represent me. And when I saw this from Benks, I knew I had to check out this case. Again, S Pen, you can pull it out really easily. But yeah, these ones are my favorite cases, and I hope they release even like more cities, more places, because I think these ones can truly connect with people from all over the world. If you're from London, this case, I can see you rocking this case because it's going to connect with you. For me, Istanbul really connected with me. I have another case for my iPhone, and that one is New York City. And if you're from New York City, again, that case is something I can recommend. It's something you can personally connect with, because again, this phone is yours. You want to use your phone to your liking, and you want this phone to represent who you are. I think this phone easily represents who I am. Again, links will be in the description down below. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.